This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Gorgeous dining room. Horton 2328 floor plan is a one-story home that is brick on all four sides and located in the highly desirable Bonbrook Plantation. This home has many upgrades you will notice immediately, like the impressive coffered ceilings in the spacious foyer and formal dining room. The gourmet kitchen has lots of cabinets. A huge granite peninsula is great for serving with plenty of bar seating for the whole gang, and a prep island as well for the cook. Open floor plan with split bedrooms allowing for additional privacy for the primary bedroom. Ensuite bath with double vanities, deep garden tub, glass shower, and huge walk-in closet. Working from home? No problem, there is a huge separate study located at the front of the home with lovely windows and beautiful French doors for privacy. Could also be a fifth bedroom if you needed it to be. Pull-out double vinyl windows, real hardwood floors in the living areas, beautiful cast stone fireplace. Covered patio with ceiling fan and brick columns. For more information